Good day everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. We've got this ACER here to fix. ACER ASPIRE 3. ACER ASPIRE 3. I'll tell you the model number. A315. A315-58. You see this laptop? Core i3 11th generation. So now what I'm trying to do here, I'm trying to load in Windows on this laptop. It's not working. It's not working. Okay, it's not working. Okay, let's see. I'll show you. I'm trying to load in Windows here, but it's not working. Not like the other laptop. See, there's the Windows there. Not like other laptops whereby you download the Intel rapid storage drivers. But in this case, I've done that. It's not working. You see, I will show you now. Okay, there you go. Next. In this part, you need to use the external mouse. You need to use the external mouse here. Otherwise, it won't detect the mouse. Okay, there we go. You see, accept. Next, customize. You see now, you see we cannot find any drives. To get storage driver, click load driver. You see, in some laptop, when you have issues like this, you have to install the Intel rapid storage driver in some laptop. It's on laptop whereby you have the, when you install those drivers, then you will be able to install a clean Windows on a laptop. These cases or this problem normally occurs from this new generation laptop, like the 10th gen, the 11th gen, and so on. So now in this case, I've put in all the drivers you can think of. I took the drivers from the website, from the official website of this product. Still yet it's not working. I've also gotten the driver from the third party, the rapid driver. It's not working. So in this case now, I will be showing you how to fix this problem. On this laptop, we've got two hard drive. I'll show you the normal hard drive and the SSD. Okay, I'll show you now. I will be showing you that now quickly. Let's see. You see that? You've got the 1 terabyte, then the 500 gig over here. The 500 gig, then the 1 terabyte over here. Okay, so in this case, I will be showing you how to fix this problem. If you think by installing the drivers it will work, I promise you it will not work. But in this issue, or in this case, I'll be showing you how to fix this. Okay, let's restart now. Enter. Okay, go to setup, F2. Okay, we are on setup now. Let me just zoom a little bit so that you see what I will be doing. You see that 11 gen? I don't know if you can see that 11 gen Core i3. So now, if you check on the hard drive part over here, you can see we've got the two hard drive detected. You see the two hard drive detected on there. Did you see that? The two hard drives are there. So, but the issue, when you try to load in the Windows, it's not working. Okay, so what you need to do now, let's go to advanced. Okay, no, I just want you to see everything is intact. You see on the boot, tab, you've got the USB, which is my USB that has the Windows in there. It's only detecting that only. So what you need to do now, we go to menu, the main. Just watch what I'm doing on the main. Did you see that? Okay. Here is the tricky part now. Here's the tricky part. There's the tricky part. Is I have a hidden function. This ACER, I've already found out in this ACER. I am not sure if it's also on other brands or other modem. I'm not sure, but on this, I find that ACER has a hidden function which is not appearing here. It's hidden. So now what we do? You come here on your keyboard. You press Control on your keyboard. You have to press Control S. Did you see that? See here? Let me show you. Here's the keyboard. You press your Control, the letter S. So when you press Control letter S, a menu will appear. I don't know if you can see that. Let's start again so that you understand what I'm saying. F2, F2, F2. Oh, sorry. F2. Press F2. Okay. There's the menu there. So what we need to do now, let's go to the main tab. Okay, we are on the main tab now. Watch over here. Watch on the screen. Over here, just watch there. When you press Control S, just watch. The VMD controller appears. When you press Control S, the VMD controller appears. So now what do we need to do? You see that the VMD controller is enabled. So what we need to do now, we need to disable it. Okay, let's go there. VMD controller disabled. Okay, F10, save changes, yes. Okay, let's try to load the Windows again now. Enter. You see, it's a very simple method. Before I find out this method, I have downloaded so many drivers from the official website, from the third party. It all didn't work. Okay, let's install now. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing here. So this normal procedure of installing Windows. Okay, choose your time and currency factor format. Okay, install. The normal process of installing the Windows. I've only found out this problem on ACER. Okay, so now you choose agree. Next. So now customize. Did you see that? We've got our hard drives there now. We've got our hard drives. You see? We've got our hard drives. You see? The 1 terabyte and the SSD, which is the M2, the 500 gig. So what I will do in this case, I'm going to use the 1 terabyte. I'm going to put the Windows on the 1 terabyte. It's a clean installation. Okay. Formatting now. That's it. Okay, on the 1 terabyte. There you go. Loading, installing the Windows now. Okay, so what I will do now, I don't think there's a point leaving it to install. It's just a simple thing. You might come across this thing one day, you know. Instead of you stressing yourself trying to get drivers upon drivers, you just have to do this simple method. You just have to do this simple method, which will cost you nothing. Okay, I think I will stop this video now. Like and subscribe if this video helped you. Give it a thumbs up. Okay, I'll see you on the next video. Okay, bye bye.